Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through creating that slick liquid ink text effect in Canva. First, click Create, then select Videos. Choose Landscape Video for this tutorial. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to customize your video settings before proceeding to add your content seamlessly. Type Ink Liquid Transition in the search bar and press Enter. From the results, select the video element to add it to your project timeline for smooth transitions. Apply any transition effects available to enhance your video between clips or scenes smoothly and effectively. Let's try this transition. First, add an element by clicking the Add button. Choose the text option, then select Heading. Click the heading to edit it. Type the word liquid into this text box. Next, we will apply the liquid transition effect. Make sure the heading is selected, then navigate to the Transitions panel. Choose the liquid transition type from the list. Preview the effect by clicking play. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve a smooth liquid movement. This completes adding a heading and applying the liquid transition to it in your project. Select the text, open the font menu, and choose any font you prefer to change the text appearance quickly and easily. Click the play button to start the presentation. Use the speaker icon to enable audio. This allows you to listen to the narration as the slides advance automatically. Adjust volume as needed for clear sound. Pause or resume playback anytime using the same controls. Ensure the surface is completely dry with no liquid present before proceeding. This prevents any damage and ensures optimal performance of the device during use. Check thoroughly for moisture. Select the item you want to use. Next, duplicate it by clicking the Duplicate button. This creates an exact copy, allowing you to modify without affecting the original. Use duplicates for efficient editing. Click Ctrl D to duplicate the liquid ink animation. Next, adjust the settings to refine the effect. Experiment with timing and flow to achieve a smooth, dynamic look. Keep tweaking each element until the animation feels natural and visually appealing. This creates a polished liquid ink motion. Make it smaller, then center it on the page. Click play to start the video and begin your interactive tutorial session now. Next, shorten the duration of the clip by dragging its edge to the desired length. Let's change the text color to white. Select the text, then open the color settings. Choose white from the color options. This instantly updates the text appearance, making it more visible against the background. Adjusting text color helps improve readability and enhances your design's overall look. Hold Shift and select all text. Then, change the font color to white for better visibility. Click play to start the video from beginning. Click the Save button to store your changes. If you want to share your work, click the Share button. Choose your sharing options and send the link to collaborators. To export your file, select Export from the menu. Choose the desired format and click Export. Remember to review your document for any final edits before saving or sharing. This ensures your work is accurate and ready for distribution or further collaboration. Save frequently to prevent data loss. Click the Share button, then select Download. Before saving your video as an MP4 file, adjust the quality settings to your preferred level. Once set, click Download to save the video to your device. This ensures you have a high-quality file ready for use or sharing. Now you know how to create a liquid ink text reveal animation in Canva and subscribe for more fun design tips.